Hello all. Today morning I just quote one thought and send it to my friends. After receiving that or after reading that, lot many my friends ask me to justify that statement or justify that thought. What was that thought? I quote the thought as hard work is the only highway towards your own built destiny. That was the thought that I quote to my friends and they ask me to justify. Now it's my turn to justify this particular statement. So see here, what I told you or what I quote that hard work is the only highway. Hard work is the only highway to reach up to your own decided destiny. Destiny means future. That is. So here I will just give one example. There is one person, X person is there. Now that particular person decided to visit one astrologist, Jyotishi, astrologist, and he visited astrologist and asked him, "What is my destiny? What is there in my destiny?" Astrologist look at him, look at the kundlits, and put down some statements that definitely in future you will be owner of two bungalows and two four-wheelers. He give his destiny. What he replies, in your future you will have two bungalows and two four-wheelers. That person get happy, at the same time relaxed. Back to home, just sit down and just think about the destiny. What astrologist told me that I will have two bungalows and two four-wheelers. Then he realized, need not to work now, need not to work. Why need not to work? Because my dad already having two bungalows and two four-wheelers with him. After him, that two four-wheelers and two bungalows are mine. And astrologist told me that I will have only two bungalows and two four-wheelers. So why to worry? Why to work? Get relaxed. And he decided not to work anything in the future. After some years, some days, some years, what happens? After his father, that two bungalows and two four-wheelers come to him. But as he not doing anything, day by day, due to the financial problems, he supposed to, or he, what we can say, he put in the situation that he sold out one four-wheeler, then second four-wheeler, then one bungalow, then two bungalow. For what? For daily needs, to fulfill the daily needs for financial purpose, because he is not doing anything. So was really his destiny to have four-wheeler and bungalows without working? Not at all. On the same country, we are having second person. Why? He visited astrologist, asked him, what is written in my destiny? Astrologist told, your destiny is saying that you will be in rented home for entire life. You have to travel on two-wheeler or in the public transport facility only, and you will have a middle class life. That person, why person come to home? Think about this. What is my destiny? Only two-wheeler in life, only rented home in my life. What about the luxurious life? What about the luxurious life? Whether I am capable or not, whether I will get or not. So he think on that, and he decided, as my destiny is written only these few things, nothing to lose. What is there in the losing? One two-wheeler and one rented home, nothing to lose. So why not to try? And he decided to work hard. Not only 8 hours, he worked for 16 hours. Double duty. He did a double duty. He worked hard, very potentially, very sincerely. He worked hard. And what happens? After certain years, that is 5 years or 10 years, what happens? He is now capable to purchase his own home. He think about the destiny. My destiny told me that I have to have a rented home for entire life, and now I am having capacity to purchase a particular home. So shall I go for that? He dare there. He make daring and he purchased that. Afterwards, after few days, he again planned for four-wheelers, some luxurious car, and he decided, but in my destiny, that astrologist told me that entire life I have to travel in public transport or on two-wheeler. Shall I go for that? He says, okay, no problem, nothing to lose. I will go for that. He took for that. After a certain period, he took bungalow, one more car. So where is the destiny? Destiny was the initial point. Whatever the destiny described to him was the initial point. But after that efforts or hard work develop that particular destiny in his dreams. So this particular statement is very correct, that hard work is the only highway towards own built destiny. So be trying, be hard worker, and be sincere. Thank you.